set up our tent for tonight. We're still at Abraham Lake. So we found a spot here on a nice view. So that's highway over there, the bridge. And there are a lot of campers around also. There we go. And we're gonna set up our tent. So keep watching. Like button. Yay! Morning! So we're here at Abraham Lake. Just woke up. Time check, 9 o'clock. It's a nice day. And it's windy last night. So we're gonna show you our view when we woke up. Ta-da! subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See ya next video. Stay tuned for more adventures.
Dreaming,
Bye bye.
are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Good morning, my neighbors. Good on. Hello, guys. Good morning. So last night, it was an awesome night. We had a good sleep, and it was quite windy on this point here, but it's nice. They say some of the days it's so windy and some are not, but maybe last night was windy. So it is. You can hear it inside the tent, but we slept pretty good. It's not that cold. And we also brought our electric blanket just to make sure so that we will not get chilly as we sleep. So we are going home, and we will be definitely coming back here because this is a very, very nice place, a very nice spot for camping. And to let you know, this is the spot here. You have to mark your spot. There's helicopter tours just before this, and then you just mark this bridge here. Then there's a little road coming in here, going in here, and you can camp here. There's a lot of spaces, and you can also camp on the other side. And actually there are lots of campers here, and yeah, it's a great spot for camping. Maybe we'll be back here, definitely. Yeah, and amazing. You got this view, the lake, the mountains, and it's perfectly free, so you can camp all you want here, but just make sure to leave your stuff and things, or leave the spot clean and tidy. I mean, because there are wildlife around, right? So we don't want that to happen. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next travel. Bye.